Things are settling in. So, yeah. No, not gonna talk about it. Hey guys, welcome back. Welcome back. What's up, subbies? And I want to say hello to all the newbies. You don't know what a newbie is? Well, let me break it down for you. A newbie is anyone who's checking me out, maybe for the first time, maybe not. Maybe you've been peeking in and peeking back out and then peeking in again and then maybe one more time. That is a newbie, okay? So now that I've broken it down for you, if you're a subby and if you're a newbie, I've got one directive for you. I want both of you, subbies and newbies, to come on in. Today, well, you came on a very good day. All you newbies and all you subbies, you already know what's about to go down. I'm sure everyone read the title. We are checking in for the 4th week. You know, we check in every 4 weeks around here. That's so that we can stay on top of our hair and get in front of anything that may go off the track. So that is what we are doing. I am in my 4th week, so I'm 4 weeks post relaxer. I relax every 8 weeks, so we're right in between. And this is the perfect time to check in. So just to kick everything off, I'm going to talk about the products, and y'all already know I got my zhuzhes, I got my day ones. I'm not changing anything with regard to the products. Everything has been going well with what I've been using. I will say that as far as my hair is concerned right now, that it's winter, it is a little drier. It's a little drier. So next week I may use, well, this weekend, I may use the GPB conditioner. And for anyone who's not familiar, I will have that information down below, that video. But it's the Aubrey's GPB. I know the last time that my hair got really dry or it felt drier, that's what I used to sort of pump a little moisture in it, you know, keep the moisture and protein balance in check. So I may do that this weekend, may use the conditioner this weekend. But other than that, everything has been going quite well as far as the products. Oh, but guess what, y'all? Last night, I had a dream. Okay, now this is a little side note. I had a dream, and it was so crazy. I had a dream, you know, some other stuff was going on. But what I remember is I took some Nair. For anyone who may not be familiar, that's the hair removal product. You can use it on your legs and other parts. So I took some Nair, and for some reason I put it on the side of my face, like right here by my temple. And it ended up in my hair. And I'm up here talking to somebody, and it was like a dollop right here on the side of my head. And I don't know what I was supposed to have been doing. Maybe I was trying to do it for my sideburns or something like that. Yes, I do have sideburns, but and no, I do not use Nair on my sideburns. I'm very happy with my little faded pork chops on the side. I'm good with those. Anyway, so the Nair was sitting there, and then as I was wiping it off, do you know a whole chunk of my hair? Now, meanwhile, it was right here at my temple. But a whole chunk of my hair went when I wiped off, so it was all gone right on in here. I don't know what that dream means. I have no idea. All I will say is that it was very weird as far as me putting Nair on the side of my head. So it's very odd that I had a dream about losing hair when I am obviously trying to grow it. Okay, now I've been there, done that, already lost the hair. We trying to grow it back. So I just thought that was a little odd, you know, a little suspect. But anyway, we ain't gonna read into it. I just wanted to share that with y'all, you know, since we friends and all that. Anyway, now that we talked about the products and we know nothing is new on that front, we're going to jump right into it. Okay, we're going to jump right into it. Like I said, we check in every 4 weeks, and I'm checking my hair growth. My goal, for those who are not initiated, my goal is to get to mid-back. So we are checking that length. We're checking how my hair is progressing. And yeah, and then we're gonna come right on back and put a bow on it. See, we ain't wasting no time. We're not wasting no time today, honey. We are getting right to the meat and potatoes, or the soda and popcorn of the video. That's what we like to call it around these parts. But it don't matter what you use to refer it to. We getting right to it. That's the whole point. So, without further ado, without further delay, we are going to see what's going on with Dolce's hair today. Bars. So, let's get right to it. Okay, guys, so we are progressing, and as far as the length is concerned, we haven't quite crossed Bra Strap Street. Okay, I hope you're picking up what I'm putting down there. Anyway, we haven't quite crossed Bra Strap Street, But we're about to get to the other side. I don't know if you noticed that. I try to make it, to show you guys. And I'm using the same equipment from before. We're using the same equipment, so I'm gauging against that. And we are slowly making it across the street to the other side. Okay, so we marching. We still marching along. So that feels very good. And like I said, my hair is a little dry. Winter is doing its thing out here. So my hair is reacting to that, as a lot of you guys may notice with your own heads of hair. When winter comes along, your hair can get a little dry, get a little fussier. Don't feel too moisturized sometimes, okay? It can get a little brittle if you don't address it. It can shed a little more. I know I had a couple of questions with regard to shedding around this time. And yes, you can shed a little bit more around this time because it's your body reacting to the cold. It's reacting to the seasons. So with that being said, nothing to be alarmed about. That we got our arsenal together, and we got our little notes and everything as far as how we know to take care of our hair. Part of taking care of your hair is knowing it. And in knowing it, knowing how to prep and prepare and to take care of your hair during the winter and all these other things, whether you need more moisture, whether certain parts need more attention than others. It's all about knowing your hair. And this is also why I like to check in, because you can gauge and get on top of things before things get out of whack. So I just noticed that my hair is getting a little dry because, winter and all that winter brings with the drier weather and environment. So I'm just going to up the ante on the moisture a little bit. No biggie. But other than that, everything is moving along. Everything is looking and feeling good. I'm looking forward to the next check-in because, I like seeing, who doesn't like seeing progress? I don't know anybody who don't like seeing progress, especially after you put in the work. So that's what we're here for. So guess what? My time has wrapped. I'm done talking about me and my locks. I am done talking about what's going on top of my head. It is time for me to share the mic. It is time for me to pass it on to all of you who may want to share. And anybody and everybody who is already familiar with this part of the video, we know that it is that's right, roll call time. It is roll call time. It is roll call. Well, anybody who doesn't know what roll call time is, I just told you. It's when I let everybody, it's an open mic, okay? It's basically an open mic. Anybody who wants to come forward and talk about your hair, how it's progressed, maybe you want to share a little bit of what you're going to do differently as well as 2022, okay? Because you know that we got our hashtags and everything together, okay? KISS, bigger and better, that's the hashtag, okay? But just in case you want to add to that or just let everybody know where you are in your hair journey. Not everybody's worried about length, but we are all concerned about the health of our hair. At least we should be, right? Okay. Anyway, so if you want to talk about your hair and how it's going so far, we're only a couple of weeks into January, but we still need to check in. So those who have been riding the wave of success, come on and check in and say, hey, I'm still doing well. And all those who are still looking for products, it's okay. You can let us know. Like I said, anybody who hasn't found everything to put into their arsenal, it's okay. We're not going to leave anybody behind. We still going, and we're going to put the word out in the streets for y'all too. So y'all get on that mic and tell us what you need. Anybody and everybody who wants to share, please do it down below. You know I'm going to read it. I don't even need to tell you. You know I'll be reading everything up in this piece. And anybody who doesn't want to share, just wants to read everyone else's comments, that is totally okay too. We don't judge around here. We come in and we like to congratulate those who are doing well on their journey. And we like to encourage. We like to make up words around here too. Encourage or encourage, for those who like the normal, usual word. We like to encourage those who are still in the midst of finding their footing as far as their regimen. So We are not going to prolong this any longer. We are all caught up with what is going on with me. And like I said, we waiting on everybody else. We getting the altar call. Altar call, everyone. Anyone who wants to share. Yes, you two in the back. Come on. We waiting for you. Just take your time and come on up to the mic. Anyway, with that being said, we are kicking this year off in the grand fashion. Positivity. We ain't dealing with nothing negative. No stinking thinking as far as our hair and our lives. That's what I said the last time. I'm going to repeat it again today because I think it bears repeating. But other than that, we going to put a button on it. What you think? I think it's about time that we did. This one was in and out, okay? So I want to thank you so much for dialing in and showing up. I really do appreciate it. I really do. I really do. And yeah, we'll be back talking about some more stuff, honey. We got stuff on this list. We got stuff to talk about. I'm just saying. So you gotta come back for that. So you already know. It's going to be the same Dolce dial. It's going to be the same Dolce channel. So you come on back.